Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna do a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy A20. So Samsung Galaxy A20 is the latest budget smartphone which is priced 12,500 and comes with the Super AMOLED display, and this is the newest smartphone in the A series after the launch of A50, A30 and also A10. So A20 is priced 12,500 and comes with an HD plus resolution display. It is powered by the Exynos 7884 octa-core processor, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. It has a dual camera setup, 4000 mAh capacity battery and fast charging is supported. So that's the specifications. So let's go straight into the detailed aspects. Let's first have a look at the design and build quality. So front panel design definitely looks good with the infinity V notch and looks quite similar to the Samsung Galaxy A30 and the A50. So you can see that the bezels are kept to minimal. The bottom bezels is slightly higher, but still for a budget offering this looks pretty good, and the V notch looks quite good in terms of the design aspect. You can see that the back panel has a plastic finishing. This is made of plastic material, but it has been given a glass like finish to mimic the glass effect, so that looks quite good. It is quite similar to what we've seen on the Samsung Galaxy A30 and A50, and the edges have been given a curved finish to give a good in-hand feel. So overall the device definitely feels quite good for the price segment it is being offered. We have seen metal and glass construction in this price segment, but the Samsung Galaxy A20 isn't bad in terms of the design and build quality. So that's the design aspect. Now this device comes with the power and volume keys on the right side. The bottom panel has the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and also it comes with the 3.5mm audio jack. The left side houses the SIM tray, and the top panel does not have any openings or slot. So overall the Samsung Galaxy A20 definitely looks quite good in terms of the design aspect. Now next, moving on to the display. So this is one of the important aspects about the device. So we have a Super AMOLED display. It's a 6.41 inches Super AMOLED display. It's an HD plus resolution display. Even though it's an HD plus resolution display, it looks really good. You can see that the viewing angles are really great. The touch response feels very smooth. The colors are vibrant and gives great experience when using the device. But the sad part is that even at 12.5K price segment, it is being offered only with an HD plus resolution display. Now there is no mention of any protection offered on the display. Now moving on to the software. So the device is powered by Android 9.0, and we have Samsung's One UI. So we have seen the One UI on Samsung's A series smartphone. Now you can see this is the One UI. It comes with a new redesigned UI. There are lots of additional options included. You have basic customization options, additional features, motions and gestures, one-handed UI, a dual messenger, panic mode, game launcher. So these are some useful features available on the One UI. But having said that, the One UI is not really as responsive as some of the other smartphones in this price segment. It does take a bit of time to open apps. So the responsiveness of One UI is something which is not really that great. Now this device comes with Android 9.0 update, and that's pretty good from Samsung. Now moving on to the performance. So the Samsung Galaxy A20 is powered by the Exynos 7884 octa-core processor. So Exynos 7884 is an underclocked variant of the Exynos 7885 octa-core chipset. This has a Antutu benchmark score of 94,000, and you can see the CPU score and GPU score. It's not very powerful chipset. So if you look at the 12.5K price segment, we have the Redmi Note 7, the Note 7 Pro, the Zenfone Max Pro M2, the Realme U1. All of them have really powerful chipset in the form of Snapdragon 660 and 675. Now the Exynos 7884 is not really powerful, and while it does the decent job in terms of day-to-day performance, when it comes to gaming, that's where the Exynos 7884 struggles, and the gaming experience was average, and we could see a lot of lag happening in both PUBG Mobile as well as Asphalt 9. We have done a detailed gaming video of this device. You can also check out that video to get an idea about how the gaming experience is. Now otherwise the device looks quite okay in day-to-day performance. Now, moving on to the other aspects. So the device comes with a fingerprint scanner on the back panel. We'll just test out the fingerprint scanner performance. So you can see that it's not very fast fingerprint scanner. It does take some time to unlock. Now let's see the face unlock on this device. So there you go. You can see that the face unlock is quite okay. It may not be again the fastest out there, but accurate. Now this device comes with dual SIM cards and 4G LTE, and there is also micro SD card expansion slot available. It's not a hybrid SIM card, there is a dedicated SD card slot available. Now the call quality of the device is pretty good, and the speaker performance is adequately loud enough but not class leading by any means. Now moving on to the camera performance. So this device comes with a 13 megapixel primary camera, f-stop 1.9 aperture, secondary 5 megapixel camera. It's an ultra wide angle camera with 123 degree wide angle camera, and on the front panel it has an 8 megapixel shooter. So we have done a detailed camera review of this device and found the camera to be pretty much average in terms of performance. Daylight conditions, the colors were quite okay, the sharpness levels are kind of average, and overall clarity looks quite average. Now the good thing is that there is an ultra wide angle camera, but it's not really the best out there. Again, it is quite handy though, and a lot of smartphones do not have the ultra wide angle camera at this price segment. So in that aspect, this device has that option. But then the low light performance was strictly average. The portrait mode again was quite average. Video recording, there is no electronic image stabilization, there is no 4K support. So these are some downsides of the Galaxy A20 in terms of the rear camera performance. Now the good thing is that the selfie performance is quite okay. The 8 megapixel camera does a quite good job, even though the resolution might not be that high. So that's the camera aspect of the Samsung Galaxy A20. Now moving on to the battery life. So this device comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery with 15 watt fast charging. That's pretty good, and the battery performance is again really good. You can get around 7 hours of screen on time on this device because it's an HD plus resolution display. The battery drain is some lesser than other smartphones with a full HD plus resolution display in this price segment. So the battery life is definitely good on the Samsung Galaxy A20. So now summing up, how good is the Samsung Galaxy A20 at 12,500 rupees? So we would say there are much better options available. If you want to go with the Samsung Galaxy A20, still we would suggest you to go with the Samsung Galaxy A30 or even the M30, because the A20 is one of those devices which does not really have that capabilities for the price segment. It is definitely not a value for money device. It has a good display, good design and build, good battery life, and a decent experience overall, but then the performance is not that great. Along with that, the cameras are kind of disappointing, and only an HD plus resolution display in this price segment, where we have seen full HD plus resolution display on almost all smartphones. So if you are looking for a smartphone in the 13K price segment, we would suggest you to go with either Realme U1, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, or even the Redmi Note 7. So these are all much better options than the Samsung Galaxy A20. So that's all guys with the detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy A20. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.